Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how to monitor Nginx Ingress controller via Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, let's get started. So the steps followed here. These are the steps followed here. Okay, we need to add the catalog and install Nginx Ingress controller, install cert manager and install Prometheus operator and creating service monitor. Like that we're going to follow some of the steps frequently. Okay, let me get started. First let me add the catalog. So we're going to install Nginx Ingress controller on Kubernetes cluster which we installed on GKE, that is means Google Cloud, and BR Rancher. Okay, so I have already configured Rancher and created cluster BR Rancher on GKE. Let me start add the catalog. To add the catalog, go to cluster, go to default, and click manage catalog and click add catalog and add the Google repo catalog. Click create. In parallel we can add few more catalogs. So we're going to add the cert manager catalog and again Google repo catalog on the system namespace. So go to cluster, click system, okay, and click manage catalog and click add catalog. So first add this cert manager catalog. Copy the URL and cert manager, click create and add the Google repo catalog also. So copy the URL and it's a Google repo, nothing but stable repos catalog. Hold on for some time, it will be get refresh. Okay, so the catalog all added and it's currently inactive. Okay, first let me install Nginx Ingress. So for that go to cluster, go to default and click launch. and search for Nginx Ingress. Okay, click Nginx Ingress and add this variable on answer file. So that's it, just launch it. Okay, so Ingenious Ingress is currently up and running and active. Now let we install Cert Manager. So to install Cert Manager, go to cluster, click system, and click launch. And click Cert Manager. Okay, Cert Manager we are going to install on namespace cube-system, and the parameter we can add install CRDS parameter to install the CRDS automatically. Click launch. Okay, so Set Manager got installed. Next, we have to install Prometheus operator. So Prometheus operator comes with Prometheus, Grafana and a few more other components. So let me install Prometheus operator. Click launch. And search for Prometheus operator. And select Prometheus operator. Select Prometheus operator. Okay. So just hold on. Okay, now it's fine. Looks the catalog is not properly refreshed. So I re-added the catalog. After that I am able to get the Prometheus operator. Okay, so right now I am in the Prometheus operator. And add the variable nothing but Grafana password. And we are going to install Prometheus operator on the namespace cube-system and add this variable also. That's it. Click launch. So it's installing Prometheus operator currently. Let me wait for a few more minutes. Okay, so the Prometheus operator is currently installed and active. Now let me install, that is, let me create a service monitor file to enable Nginx service metrics on Prometheus. Okay, so for that you can create a file service monitor.yml So this file already I have created. So this is the file, nothing but it going to create a service monitor on the namespace Ingenious Ingress. So create the file. kubectl apply -f service monitor. So just apply it, so it will be create. Next, create DNS record to expose the Grafana and Prometheus to outside for to access the URL by external URL by. Okay, for that let me create DNS A records. So to add the A records, we need to know the external IP of the Ingress controller. So for that, just use this command, get the service of Ingress controller, and it will show on external IP. Use this IP and create your A records. Okay, so since I am using, my domain is under AWS, so I am using Route 53. So I'm going to add Prometheus. So I already added the record, but only thing is I need to modify the IP address. So Prometheus.Kubelancer.net. I'm just modifying the IP. Since it's the same IP for me, so I don't have any issue. And also for Grafana. So for Grafana also you can accordingly modify it. Okay, save the record. So there is no change. Okay. Now let me create a issuer on kube system namespace, because we're going to create Ingress for Prometheus and Grafana. So create a file, let's encrypt prod cube by system. So this file I already created. So nothing but it's going to create a issuer on the namespace cube-system. So apply this file. Okay. And to check the issuer is ready state or not, run this command kubectl get issuer. Okay, that issuer is in ready state now, so it's ready to issue the certificate. Okay, next install create the Ingress for Prometheus operator, nothing but for Prometheus. Okay, so Prometheus operator Ingress, this is nothing but for the host Prometheus.Kubelancer.net, we going to create Ingress. So this file also I have already created, so just I'm going to apply it. So just I'm ensure it's for under the kube system namespace, since issuer is only for namespace. Okay, and for the particular service, the port X service port. Okay, apply it. Okay, since already there is no change, because I already tested, because of that it's showing already there. Okay, and also as well as we can do same for Grafana. So this is the file I have using for Grafana. This also, okay, we have to modify this to Kubenetes system namespace. Okay, and this is for service Prometheus operated Grafana and the port number is 80. So apply it. This already I have documented here. Now check the certs are ready for both Grafana and Prometheus. For that, run this command to get certs. Okay, so for Prometheus cert is already ready. For Grafana, let me hold on for some more minutes. Yeah, for both the certs are ready. Now access Prometheus and Grafana dashboard. So to access Prometheus, use this URL. Okay, so we are able to access Prometheus, and to access Grafana, use this URL grafana.kubelancer.net. Okay, let me. Okay, I have to modify the URL. I forgot to modify it. So it should be grafana.kubelancer.net. Okay, so let me apply the change. Okay, it's configured. Now go and access it. So it should access without the security issue. Let me refresh for some more time. Yeah, now we are able to access it. So the default username is admin and the password we created as password. So login on Grafana dashboard. Okay, so we are in Grafana dashboard. So on Prometheus, since we are mainly doing this video to monitor Nginx Ingress controller, so on the metrics, just ensure Nginx Ingress controller metrics is available or not. Yes. So you see, Nginx Ingress controller metrics are available. So how it was available? Because of we have created the service monitor. Okay. Now go to Grafana and add our data source. So add our first data source. So we're going to add Prometheus data source, and I'm going to use the URL, the same URL, prometheus.kubelancer.net, and it should be a server. It would be a server default, that should be okay, and the method should be get and make it default. Okay, save and test it. Yes, data source is working. Perfect. Now Step number 11, configure Ingress controller metrics on Grafana dashboard. So we're going to import a JSON file from the Grafana website to create Ingenious Ingress controller dashboard. So you can download and import it. So this is the Ingenious Ingress controller dashboard. So here download JSON file is there. So you can download and import the dashboard on the Grafana. So for that, how to do means you go back to dashboard and click manage, and currently these are the dashboards currently already freely available. So but Ingenious Ingress is not available, so we're going to install import now. So for that, first let me download the JSON file. So either you can save or you can copy the file directly, both it should be fine. So I'm going to save this file, and it's currently on downloads. So and click import and upload the JSON file. So already I have the same file available here, so click and open it and select your Prometheus data source. I am selecting Prometheus one. This is the default one which we create, and click import. Great. So we are getting the request, the traffic request we are able to monitor via Grafana now. The Ingress, whatever the Ingress controller, you can, all the things you can, how many controllers currently available. So what are the Ingress we have created, so all the things we can able to monitor. And this is the default Ingress controller, and it's for Nginx. Okay, and how many requests is happening, how many connections are currently there, and all the things you can able to monitor, and the network performance of Ingress controller, and how much memory is using, CPU is using. And so currently, so we have created two Ingress controller, that is one for Grafana and one for Prometheus. That TLS only is showing here. And the certificate, what is the certificate we have installed? We have installed the Prometheus cube for Prometheus and Grafana. That certificate, how many still the expiry date, everything expiry, when it will going to be expiry. So those information also you can be able to capture here. So that is means you can completely monitor your Ingenious Ingress controller by using this dashboard. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you.